Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Marty Supple. I'm a Southeast ROP instructor here at ARTESIA High School, and today we want to talk about electric vehicles. Well, the electric vehicle we have today is a Mini Cooper, and it is provided to us today by Cerritos College in Norwalk. An electric car has three main items. One is battery pack, in this case, lithium ion. Also, it has a controller and an electric motor. So therefore, the lithium ion battery powers up the controller, and that power is distributed to the electric motor. So let's take a look at the vehicle closer up. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, now we have the hood open of the Mini Cooper. We can see the controller here, which we cannot open. And then we also, if we take a closer look, there are things that are painted orange. Conduits and little boxes. This is high voltage electricity, and you have to be very, very careful and properly trained to work on this. Anywhere you see orange conduit, orange boxes, you must be properly trained first in order to work on this. And what has to happen is it has to be disabled. In this case, we have a switch. As you can see, HV high voltage service disconnect. In case of emergency, turn off. If the car is in an accident, you want to disconnect the high voltage pack, because if they have to cut the roof off or use the jaws of life, we don't want any power to be touching the chassis. So this is the disconnect provided by Mini. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, on this electric Mini Cooper, if you notice, we have the little plug. So instead of putting gasoline or regular unleaded, we now have a plug right here where we plug in the connection. You could plug it into a wall. It will take about minimum 8 hours. And if it's 220 volts, it'll take about 2 to 4 hours, depending on the state of charge. So, ladies and gentlemen, now we have state of charge. We have 74% state of charge. We have a gauge indicating it, and numerically. So let's move over here and take a look at the actual charger that comes with the vehicle. This is the vehicle's charger. Also, if you recall, on a gasoline-powered Mini Cooper, you have a back seat. In this case, this is all filled with lithium-ion batteries to power up the Mini Cooper. Now, some people may ask, how fast is the Mini Cooper? Well, I will say this. It's faster than the gas version and has adequate acceleration. The range is about 100 miles. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is a great example of a very well-built electric car. Yes, this car has also regenerative braking, so as you drive the vehicle, stopping it charges the batteries. That's what gives you a long range of 100 miles. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, this is not your father's golf cart.